So hey guys, how are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are good. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Janefrances Ezeonye, and guys, I've been gone for a minute. Like I've been gone from one thing to another, and here we are. Well, your girl is back with a bang. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful crochet hairstyle. This is the versatile Crochet Passion Twist. Watch till the very end to see how I achieved this look. Do subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with darling braiding hair in color 39 and color 1 black. So I cut color 39 in 2 and color 1 in 4. I'm trying to create an ombre effect here, so I just start blending. Doing this is like 2 in 1. It blends the color really well and at the same time feathers the ends. Now this is what you get once it's been blended to perfection. You can see the ombre effect right there. So I start curling the hair using my good old straw. So I place the braiding hair around the straw, holding both sides together. I twist and turn, leaving like little spaces in between, because that is going to give me the perfect kind of curls that I need for this passion twist. Now once I'm getting to the end, I start wrapping what is left on top of one another. That way it secures it without me having to use clips or whatever to hold that. Now I dip the cold hair in some hot water with conditioner to tame the frizz. Guys, the conditioner part is important because this is kind of column braiding hair, so it's going to get frizzy if you don't use conditioner. Now once I am done with this, I take that out and let this air dry completely. So this is what it looks like completely dried. So I take that out of the straw, cut out the end, and unravel that. Now this is what you get unraveled, and this is what we'll be working with. So I thought I hit record, but I obviously did not. I've just done about 4 twists. So I was like, you know what, let me just arrange them like so on top of the cable, so that once I just grab one, I twist, grab and twist, and that way it's easier and faster. So I set one passion twist hair aside. I twirl it, like twist it individually around the loop. That way you have an even nice loop, and then I start twisting. Guys, you don't even have to be a perfect braider or know how to twist, because this already has a pattern. I think this is the easiest and fastest DIY that I have done, because this literally took me an hour or below to do like 80 or 90 passion twists. So yeah, So I just twist this till I get to the end, and guys, that is all there is to this. It's very easy, fast, and simple. You don't have to struggle with this. You don't need a perfect tight twist. You just have to follow the pattern. Now, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you're new or you've been watching the video and walking away, please take out this time to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. That helps with YouTube algorithm. And if you have any questions or comment, just write it down below in the comment section, and I'll be there to reply to your comments. And just like that, we have succeeded in making a beautiful ombre passion twist. Like, this is so simple, this is so easy, this is super fast. It doesn't take a lot of time. Now onto the installation. This is the pattern that I made in front for the passion twist. Around the perimeters of my hair, I also did the individual boxes, and then I have a cornrow going like zigzag in the middle. So yeah, so now this is our beautiful passion twist, and look at how nice it looks. I told you, if you really twirl it at the beginning, the loop is going to be nice and smooth. This helps for easy installation as well. So I started with the boxes at the back, the sides, and the front of my hair before filling in the cornrow in the middle. So yeah. And oops, I realized I haven't oiled my scalp, and I always love to do that. This is not quite a scalp oil, but it's an anti-dandruff spray, and it's oily. It has salicylic acid and some menthol, something that is quite cooling. It has this cooling and stimulating sensation on the scalp. I enjoy it, and it helps to keep my dandruff at bay. I just spray this in and massage it into my scalp. Now this is quite simple. Just pass the crochet through the box rightly under the rubber band, and pull the loop of the passion twist to the hook of the crochet and pull that through. Open up the loop and pass the hair through the loop and make a knot right there. When you do that, you're able to cover that rubber band if you pass the crochet directly under the elastic band. Yeah,
But not to worry if you didn't use elastic band, because you can make this without elastic band. You can just part out a box braid, part the next box, add the first braid and just continue braiding. You can do this without elastic band, but I just love doing mine with rubber band, and this is my first time of trying this, so yeah. So once I was done with the front section, I just packed that up like so to keep it out of the way so that I can fill in the cornrows at the back. Now there are no specific or particular pattern that I followed in filling up the cornrows at the back. I just make sure like to fill up all of the spaces without clustering so much at one particular side. And doing your cornrows like in zigzag form, just like I did, I think helps to make sure that you don't see all those parts running from up to down like you have when you're just making your cornrow from the front all the way to the back. So I think it helped as well. So once I was done, filling the cornrows at the back, I just took out that bun, laid my edges. Guys, I'm not specific about bringing out hairs for edges. I just lay whatever that is left of my edges, and that is it, you guys. Boom, that's the finished look, you guys. Like, look how beautiful I look, you guys. Look at the melanin. I mean, it's popping. Like, guys, can you tell me that if I didn't show you this process, will you tell me this is not an individual passion twist? Like, it's so looking like an individual passion twist. Like, can you tell? Can you really tell? Guys, I love the color blend. I love the ombre effect. I love the versatility. I like how weightless and bouncy and juicy this looks. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my hair. That is how weightless this feels on the hair. So there are different ways that you can rock this hairstyle. I'm just going to show you a few. So bear that in mind. You can pack this all the way up because of the individual boxes that we did at the sides and back of the hair. So if you just want it out of the way, you can take everything all up or into a bun and you're good to go. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos because this time your girl is back for good and I'm going to be giving you back-to-back content. So help me God. So are you going to recreate this hairstyle or not? Let me know in the comment section. So stay tuned for more videos. Stay blessed, stay fab. See you guys on my next one. Bye guys.